Beijing. Few cities in the world can match its historic splendor. First settled in 1045 BC, it is now charging headlong into the 21st century AD. In a land with 5,000 years of history, there are many great monuments, like the Forbidden City, the great sprawling palace from where the emperors ruled China for over 5,000 years. It is the largest palace complex in the world. The 267-hectare Temple of Heaven Park is where the Emperor, the Son of Heaven, went to pray for good harvests and to seek divine clearance and atonement. The Hall of Prayer for Good Harvests was built in 1420 entirely of wood and is 38 meters high and 30 meters in diameter. Not a single nail was used in its construction. It was struck by lightning in 1889 and rebuilt a year later. As Beijing continues to evolve, the old Hutong villages are being gradually destroyed. The free market is alive and well. Even Chairman Mao is a commodity. Beijing's impressive railway stations serve a rapidly expanding and modern railway system. And the trains come in many colors. The Great Wall, the greatest engineering achievement of all time, constantly draws millions of visitors. Mechanization has taken some of the effort out of climbing the ancient structure. And here too, the free market is in full swing. And what goes up must come down. On the railways of northern China, steam still reigns supreme. The line between Baotao and Dongsheng was still entirely steam-worked in 1999. It's April 1999, and we're in the village of Reshwi in Inner Mongolia. It's still bitterly cold in early spring. During the cold months, railway enthusiasts from all over the world add to its population. And this is what we have come to see. Steam at its most spectacular on a spectacularly engineered line. The 943-kilometre-long Jining-Tongliao Provincial Railway was completed in 1995. It was financed by the two municipalities it serves, not the national railways. In 2000, the line was entirely steam-worked, with the QJ Class 210-2 locomotives working in pairs. The last QJ, of which nearly 4,700 were built in total, came off the production line in 1987. The railway station at Shenyang, the capital of Liaoning Province, was built in 1910 by the Japanese when they occupied this region, once known as Manchuria. This electric locomotive at the coal mining city of Fushun was built by Skoda of Czechoslovakia in 1956. While this one was built in East Germany. This fireless steam loco was designed to work in confined spaces. Taifar Station, December 2003. It's the evening rush hour with a train departing every few minutes and there's not a diesel in sight. Dalian, the Hong Kong of the North, is where Communist China proudly shows off its capitalist progress. Dalian's extensive tramway system was closed not long after these scenes were taken. Pyongyang, the capital of the hermit state of North Korea, has been described as a Stalinist theme park. If you still yearn for good old-style communism, you can't do better than this dictatorship par excellence. It's 2003, and in the socialist utopia of Kim Jong-il, things really are ill. Most of the population is inadequately fed or clothed, and the electricity supply cannot keep up with demand. Despite all the hardships, no expense is spared on the monuments to the revolution, such as the Kim Il-sung Memorial, where a steady stream of true believers come day and night to pay homage to their great leader and the founder of the communist state. And you can't escape the watchful eye of the great leader anywhere, even deep underground, in the ornate and spotlessly clean stations of Pyongyang's metro, which also doubles as a nuclear bomb shelter. Many of the metro trains had a previous life in another Cold War flashpoint, Berlin. Power outages often leave Pyongyang's trams stranded in the streets. From Pyongyang, we take a special journey north behind one of the few surviving steam locomotives in the country. Its squeaks and leaks are evidence of poor maintenance, but this doesn't concern anyone because it will soon be sold to China to be scrapped. China needs the scrap metal, and North Korea desperately needs the foreign exchange in return. Another loco, specially steamed for our group, will likely make its final journey north in the near future. Because of a coal shortage, this narrow-gauge mine railway locomotive had to use a combination of coal and chopped-up car tyres as fuel. Yet, despite the hardships of this country, we did at least enjoy great hospitality from our North Korean hosts.